Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to copy one AutoCAD file to another. First of all, open the file which you want to copy. Here, I made a different new file where I want to copy my file. Now, we go back to original file and selecting the file which we want to copy. After selecting, hit the button Ctrl, Shift and C. It will ask for base point, so you need to select the base point. After selecting base point, go to the file where do you want to copy. Hit the button Ctrl plus V. It will paste the file. Now move to the file where do you want to copy. This is how we can copy one AutoCAD file to another AutoCAD file. Overall, just select the file which you want to copy, hit the button Ctrl, Shift plus C. Select the base point, go to file where you and paste it there by Ctrl plus V. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it might help you.